error handling, it has the two basic setting. One is the default error display location. For each component, when you see error in your application, you could just select three options. One is the error with the field and the notification bar. And another one is in line with the field, not in the notification bar on the top right. And the bottom one is the just inline notification, not in the field. So by default, it chooses the if the error involves or associated with the field, it shows the error there as well and in the notification bar. Second option is pretty exciting, which says the error handling function, which means when I'll just show you quickly. If you I'll just save this particular function. We have used the error handling function. It is completely taken from what Oracle documentation provides. I will just go through that. For example, we have the sample validation over there, and I will just quickly show the table as well, what table we have used for this one. Validation. Yeah, for this one, if you see the indexes constraint basically. So there we have created a constraint on the column which checks this table has the two columns, ID and name. On the constraint, we are using the data should be Ashish and Sahai, nothing else it should be accepting. So if we try to, let's say, add a record, put something like that in ID and put something in the name, if you try to create that, it will give you the constraint check error. You can't just violate this. So that kind of error is not really user friendly. So what we could do as or a database or application developers, we could have our error handling function, something like that, and we'll just go through the function as well. And this function should be, let's search this one, error handling function. Okay. Meanwhile, what I have done, created, this is the function we have just taken from what do you say, Oracle documentation. We could just simply go what do you say, Oracle Apex error handling function. You go to any error handling function what Oracle has created, and they have designed all the stuff there. They uses the lookup constant name. This is the main area where you should be looking at. It just catches the error code and extract the constant name from the error, and then looks up into the lookup constant table, and then gives you the actual error message what you really want to show to the user. So if you try to look this table, we have created this table in our database as well, just to show. You see that. So the columns are just ID, constant name, and message. Just for the demo purposes we have created. And on the very same, we have just created one grid just to we can show the errors as well. This message we have updated, the name must be Ashish or Sahai. The message is saved. And if you see again our definition, the error handling function is we have defined. Now if we go back to the same function, same page where we were doing this one, and now if you try to create something same and create that, you will get the beautiful message what you really want to show to your users. The name must be Ashish or Sahai. You could just manipulate your messages and show the meaningful error messages.